Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Pauline Newman. I hope you all are doing well. Welcome to Vlogmas. I'd like to share with you a few items I picked up from Jaclyn Roxanne. This is Jaclyn Hill's jewelry brand. They were having a going out of business sale and I picked up a few things. Let's start with, this is called the Magnificent. This is a ring. This is the box. Of course it can't fit my fat fingers, but that's not the point. How gorgeous is this? That's as far as it goes for right now, until I lose a few more pounds. Isn't that gorgeous? And this was $4. Yeah. $4. Okay, so that's that ring, and then I picked up the Outstanding. This is another ring. And they were out of my size. Isn't that gorgeous? Oh, look at that. Isn't that stunning? Size 8 fits me. That's the only time I can say I fit into a size 8. It's a ring. Okay, and then I picked up a chain. This is the drop chain earrings. Sorry. Oh, wow. Isn't that gorgeous? That is beautiful. So that's called the drop chain earrings, and that's in rhodium. And then this is the Infinity Link necklace. It looks like that. Wow, that is gorgeous. Well, let's take it out. So, okay. It's packaged really tightly, and I don't have my scissors to cut out the zip tie type of thing, but you get the point. So that was the Infinity Link, and that was in gold, and I picked up the one Infinity Link in rhodium. Isn't that stunning? So excited to wear them. And these were, I think these were $5. These came all the way down from $95. Some were more. And I think the most I paid was maybe $7 for one. Yeah, I don't remember which one I paid $7 for, but yes, that was the most I paid. And then this one is called the Classic Half Hoop Earrings. Oops, 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 oops. And this is in rhodium. stunning. I am so excited. Can't wait to wear these. And then this is the Mary chain necklace. The box is really pretty. Isn't that gorgeous? And this is in gold. I think I picked it up as well in rhodium. Yes, I did. Here it is. And there it is in rhodium. She did really well with these. These are immaculately crafted. And then I picked up the dual chain necklace. This one is in gold. There it is. These are really, really gorgeous. I'm not taking some of them out because it's going to be for, some of them maybe for gifts. Maybe. And here it is in rhodium. That's the dual chain in rhodium. That is gorgeous. Look at that. It is absolutely stunning. I love that. And then this is the mod hoop. There's the box. This one's in white. And this cute little bar. This cute little bag. Oh, these are tiny. Oh, these are so tiny. Okay. So they look like this. So that is the mod hoop earrings. And that is it. I absolutely love these pieces. They are going to pair well with my outfits over the holidays, and I'm really excited to try them. Once I wear them, I'll possibly post a photo on Instagram or on my community page and let you see them. Unfortunately, you can't buy these anymore because she closed down her store on December 8th. But I just still wanted to share them with you because they're so beautiful, and I haven't refreshed my jewelry collection in quite a while. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you all have a great day. As always, be kind to yourself, be kind to others. Simply pay it forward. Until next time. Goodbye.